Hello my art viewers, welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions and this is artist Bhavna. So today we are going to see the Brustro Studio Easel review, and yeah, you can know is it worth buying or not. Definitely by the end of the video I'll let you know the importance and how it is used. Inside the suitcase or studio easel you'll get the free plank. So this complete easel is made up of beech wood, and this is so good and this is so fine quality, and you'll also get the freebie from the Brustro, and this is so cute. And I ordered this from website, so I ordered directly from the Creative Hands website. So if you want the link, I'll provide in the description box. Okay, it holds canvas board up to 86 centimeters in height, and it is really so comfortable to use, and it is really easy to adjust the height of the easel. There will be two springs so that you can adjust according to your angles and you can shoot easily. So when you tighten the nuts of the easel, it will be fixed at your desired level and it will be really steady. So you can sit and draw, you can stand and draw, you can have chair in front of studio easel and you can sit comfortably. So any height it is easily adjustable. Okay, so I really enjoyed the height of the easel. So it is really so big and you can extend the legs completely. So let us see the further details about this studio easel. Leg should be released in this way. This is so simple. So hold your fingers in this way and just push it. This is so easy. I'm repeating again. Just watch it. See. You need to use just 2 fingers to do this. And I'll release the other leg in the same way. This is easy, right? So in this way you need to pull 2 legs and you need to definitely stand, and you need to just take support of the easel with your legs and you need to pull the 3rd leg. So when you fix 2 legs completely tight, the studio easel will be tight and steady. So you need to fix properly. If you don't fix properly, it will be really a problem because it will be shaky and it will not stand steady. So in this way, so I don't have support to carry this easel, so that's why if the video is little shaky, please, I hope you will understand. So according to the mark given, so there you need to fix the stand, that means leg. Okay, so according to that place only you need to fix. So see that stamps and fix according to that only. So if you are fixing somewhere else, it will not be steady. So remember this thing and do properly. So I'll also fix the next leg in the same way. So let me skip this. Okay, so once I'm done with this fixing, I'll show how you need to release the 3rd leg. So this is our 3rd leg. This will be back side of the studio easel, and you need to loose this screws and then you need to release the 3rd leg. So in this way you will get the 2 screws, you need to loose them and it will be easy, and you need to pull in these directions. So be careful when you are pulling because it is really smooth and fine, and this will be delicate too. If you pull with force, you may damage your studio easel. So be careful. So once you are done with the extending of 3rd leg, you need to tighten up the screws, and according to the height you can adjust. Okay, in this way I'm just tightening up. So after I release this, I can adjust here according to the direction and according to your will. So this is so easy to release. Compared to 1st and 2nd leg, 3rd leg is really easy to release. Yeah, 1st and 2nd leg is also easy, but when you are first time user, this will be really difficult. Yes, I face the same too. This video will really help the new users. Yes, I'm right. So you need to take support of each and every leg. So your 2 legs are steady, right? So place the 2 legs properly and then you can extend this leg. So you need to straighten up, and in that way you need to keep this leg. In this way our 3 legs are steady and the stand is steady enough, and now you can use properly. So this will look in this way. Once you're confident enough with the legs, you need to just that means you need to loosen up the screws and you need to pull the plate. Once you are done with the pulling, and you need to adjust according to your height, so whatever angle you want you can set. Okay, so you can see the springs, right? Those springs will allow you to pull easily and to close easily. So everything is really great about the stand. So I can really rate this stand out of 10. I can give the 9.5 rating because I don't know, the legs are really thin, so when you extend the legs I'm really scared about the legs. So up to this height it is steady and it is strong, but when you release these legs, see what happens. So you can release these legs easily with loosening up the screw, and you can see, right, these legs are really thin. Yeah, these legs are steady when you extend it, but I don't know the durability of legs, so make sure you are working properly without any big heavy weighted boards on it. So yeah, except this, everything is flawless and superb about this stand. And this is really not an issue for me and for others too, because we prefer to work in the medium height only. And this easel cost between 7,000 to 8,000, which is easily available on the main website, or you can also purchase from the Amazon too. The sliding drawer has the 6 divided compartments, and this is really so helpful to store your pencils, erasers and whatever you want. And this is really essential thing, and I am impressed with this drawer. So you'll also have this leather handle, and you can really handle like a suitcase. So you need to close the clips and you can handle and you can carry everywhere you want. So this plank you can adjust, and you can tighten up the plank, and you can just adjust the screws and it will be steady enough to work easily. So yeah, I'm impressed with this studio or suitcase easel or French easel from the Brustro. Thank you so much, Brustro, for this wonderful stand with all the essential features. I really loved it. I'm just loving it day by day because you will get to know all the features when you are using it. So this is really great stand, and if you want to buy it, give a try. Store your easel properly, so make sure you are using an old cloth to cover it up when you are not using it. I hope this video is so helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for the day.